In this video, we will discuss about sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Flowering plants are plants which bear flowers and they reproduce by means of sex organs male and female. This is called as sexual reproduction. If we see the plants here, we can see here there are a lot of flowers and they're very good to look at. They're fascinating organs. They are of different colors. And these flowering plants, they can be small in size, they can be big in size, found in attractive colors, and they increase the beauty of the surrounding. Now, if we know these flowering plants, basically these are angiosperms. So, all the flowering plants which are present on the earth, they are called as angiosperms. And these angiosperms, they originated in the Cretaceous period about 145 to 100 million years ago. But nowadays, they are the most predominant vegetation on earth. They are highly evolved plants. They are found in different colors. They increase the beauty and they are good to look at, so they are attractive in nature. We can see here, this is the garden of the tulip, which is found in different colors. This is found in Jammu and Kashmir. They give fragrance, perfumes, scent, and they increase the beauty of the surrounding as we discussed. So the plant which increase the beauty of the surrounding are also called as ornamental plant. They're quite fascinating. I mean, they attract us by different colors. First, they will grow as vegetative growth and then they will undergo structural and many hormonal changes which help these plants to bear the flowers. We can see here, this is the plant of zinnia which I have grown in my own garden. Now this is here growing vegetatively, I mean leaves and stems, they are being produced. And when they start maturing up, this will bear buds. And when these buds open, they open like this. And here flower is completely produced. So this whole process has led to many structural and anatomical and hormonal changes which had led to the production of the flower. And even day length, I mean length kitna hai day ka, that is also very important. Now these flowers, they can bear two sexes, that is male and female. And when they bear both the sexes, they are called as bisexual flowers. But when they bear only one sex, that is in one plant, here we can see here, this is the bisexual flower. But if the plant has male flowers separate and female flowers separate, example is maize, where male plant is different, male flower is different, female flower is different, but they are born on the same plant. They may be born on different plant. If one sex is there, then it is called as unisexual. Now these, whether they are unisexual or they are bisexual, they reproduce sexually by means of male and female sex organ, and they lead to the production of the seed and fruit, which are dispersed by various means, and they are spread on the earth ecologically, and this helps in adaptation and propagation of the plant to the surrounding. So they are found everywhere on the earth because of the dispersal mechanism. Dispersal is when they spread on various parts of the earth. Now this study of the flowers, this is called as flower farming. We are growing the flowers, then flowers they appear, then we take them to the market, then they are sold, and this whole process which is dealing with the flower farming, cultivation, growing, marketing, and their different uses, this is called as floriculture. Now these flowers, as we discussed, they are objects of aesthetic, ornamental, social, religious, and it has cultural values. Because flowers, they are used in celebrations. If you have some puja at home, or religious ceremony at home, or if marriage is happening, then also decoration is with the help of flowers. And if we are going to somewhere's place, we visit and we can take a bouquet of the flowers. And if someone is not feeling feeling well and he's in the hospital, or we can take the flowers just to uh, please the person where we are visiting. So we can say they depict love, they're full of affection, they represent happiness when marriage is there, or some good celebration is there, or mourning or grief is there. Then flowers, they play an important role. Now, we will discuss certain flowers which increase the beauty of the surrounding, and they're grown as ornamental plant. They may become part of your pots or your garden, and when you look at them, you're really attracted to them, right? So we will discuss certain flowers. Like this is the salvia flower. This is growing in my own garden. We can see here on the lawn side flowers are there, and this is the salvia flower. And this is also being pollinated by means of bee. Pollination is when male part is being carried with the help of insects or some other environmental means. This is called as pollination. Now we can see here these are orchids, different colors orchids. Again, they are very good to look at. Then chrysanthemum. These are the flowers of chrysanthemum found in different colors. Then roses. Roses are found in different colors, right? We can see here pink roses, here red roses. Then chrysanthemum, quite big flower. Different colors of petunias, hybrid petunias. They can be desi petunias. Then tulips, different colors of tulips in garden. Zinnia, again of different colors, very beautiful to look at. Aldea rosa, hollyhock, big flower, sturdy flower. Then hydrangea, these are different colors of hydrangea. Both are hydrangea. Pansies, butterfly shaped flowers. So these are flowers which are used as ornamental purposes, mean they are good to look at and they increase the beauty of the surrounding. Some of the flowers, they are used for religious celebrations, especially Ganda, marigold, and its botanical name is Tagetes. Ganda. You can see here, and this is the Ganda flower. Different colors, like this is orange, it can be yellow in color also. And these are roses which are found around this Ganda flowers. These are also roses which are pink color, they can be red colored roses. Then calendula. Now this is the calendula actually. We can see here this is the calendula. And this is Dimorphotheca, daisies. We can use them for religious ceremony, for puja ceremony. Then this is the lotus flower, very auspicious flower found in water. These are lotus leaves. Then chandani, we can pick these flowers and use for celebration. Then jasmine, fragrant also. These flowers are fragrant also. Daisies of different colors. Hibiscus, very beautiful to look at. Then roses. We discussed red roses, pink roses, or we can say whitish pink roses. Any color of roses we can use for puja. So these are the flowers which are used for puja, different flowers, celebration. Then flowers which are used for mourning or grief. All the white flowers we can use. Any flower which is white in color we can use for mourning or grief. Peace lilies, we can see here. These are the peace lilies. Then tulips which are white in color we can use for mourning or grief. Then white chrysanthemum which is white in color. White roses we can use. White lilies we can use. So any flower which is white in color we can use for mourning and grief, that is used for decoration in mourning and grief. Now this is all about what are angiosperms, why they are used as an ornamental plant. They can be having social and religious value. They can be used for mourning or grief. They are the most predominant vegetation on earth. So these are again tulip flowers. So thank you for watching my video. This was introductory part of the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Now in the next video, we will discuss about floral parts. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.